Thaawar Chand Gehlot is an Indian politician who is the current and 19th Governor of Karnataka from 7 July 2021. He is also the first person serving as the Governor of Karnataka from Madhya Pradesh. He also served as the Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment from 2014 to 2021. He was also the Leader of the House in the Upper House of Indian Parliament. He was a member of the Parliamentary Board and the Central Election Committee of the BJP. Gehlot was born in a Dalit family in the village of Rupeta in Nagda in the Central India Agency of the Dominion of India, which is in present-day Madhya Pradesh, India. He is a senior member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He had assumed ministerial berth a number of times in the union government. He completed his Bachelor of Arts degree from Vikram University, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. He is a member of the Rajya Sabha, Upper House of Indian Parliament, representing the state of Madhya Pradesh. He was awarded an honorary doctorate by the Dr. B.R. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.